subscribe for more videos like this.
Well, the turkey should pretty well be consumed, and thoughts are shifting to the next holiday, so may I be the first to wish you a merry, happy Halloween. Hey guys, girls, and everywhere in between. Home for the Thanksgiving holiday, and went to the local Christmas tree lighting, and then the family went into an antique store, and I happened to notice this thing, and it walked out the door with us for a song. But anyway, it's the Peanuts, The Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown, Lionel train set, Lion Chief, and just giving it a test run after oiling it up on our permanent Halloween layout. So comes with a Bluetooth, smokes and all that, so and makes noise, as you can hear. All right, now be quiet and just let it run. Enjoy. So the moral of the story is, don't knock having forced family fun, or you may end up in an antique store and find a Lionel on the cheaps. Thanks for tuning in, folks.